Expanding cubed brackets, example 1. X minus 2 all cubed. X minus 2, X minus 2, and one final bracket. Now what we're going to do is to expand brackets 2 and 3 first of all, so we'll leave the first bracket. We'll expand these two brackets into another bracket. So x squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 4. What I can do is I'll simplify this bracket here, so that's x squared minus 4x plus 4. And then I'll start to expand. You've been in this position before, you've already had to expand two brackets, the second of which had 3 terms. So we've got x cubed and then minus 4x squared and plus 4x minus 2x squared plus 8x, and then minus 2 times 4 is minus 8. Gathering together like terms, here's a squared term here, here's another squared term. Here we have a term with an x and another term with an x. So what do I have then? I have x cubed minus 6x squared plus 12x and a minus 8 at the end. Second example, what about something like this? Now, first thing is to write out the brackets, a minus b, and then a minus b again. You'll notice in this example we have a multiplying 3. Now we're not going to use that until the very end of the question. What I'm going to do is expand brackets 2 and 3, just as I did in example 1. So I'm going to leave the multiplying 3 and the a minus b, the first bracket. I'll expand these two, so that's a squared minus ab. Now here's something interesting. The next term, so we've done a squared minus ab. This term here is minus ba, but minus ba is exactly the same as minus ab, so that's how I'm going to write it in the bracket here, minus ab. And the last term is minus b times minus b, and that gives me a plus b squared. Right, these parts are unchanged. What I'm doing just now is simplifying this bracket, so that's minus 2ab plus b squared. There's the 3 again, unused. Now, since I'm going to multiply out these two brackets here, I want another big bracket. And now I'm not going to put in the lines showing the terms multiplying. You should be able to do that without that assistance. So that's a cubed minus 2a squared b plus ab squared minus b times a squared is minus a squared b. Minus b times minus 2ab is plus 2ab squared. And the final term is minus b times plus b squared, which is minus b cubed. Still not using this multiplying 3. What I want to do now is to simplify. Now, let's have a look and see. Here is a term which has an a squared b. Here is another term which has an a squared b, so those two can go together. This term is ab squared, which is different. And here is another ab squared term. So, what? A cubed minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cubed. And finally we get a chance to multiply by the 3. Every term gets multiplied by 3, and so we end up with 3a cubed minus 9a squared b plus 9ab squared minus 3b cubed, and that is the end.